Embark on a culinary journey where precision meets convenience with the INKBIRD vacuum Sous Vide cooker. This immersion circulator redefines cooking by providing accurate temperature control, a powerful 1000 W heater, and the added convenience of Wi-Fi control for a seamless cooking experience. Achieve restaurant-quality results with precise temperature control. The INKBIRD Sous Vide cooker ensures that your food is cooked to perfection every time. Experience rapid heating and consistent temperature maintenance with the robust 1000 W heater. Cook your favorite dishes efficiently and with unparalleled accuracy. Take control of your cooking from anywhere with Wi-Fi connectivity. Use the dedicated app to monitor and adjust cooking settings remotely, ensuring flexibility in your busy lifestyle. Embrace the Sous Vide cooking technique, known for its ability to lock in flavors, moisture, and nutrients. Enjoy succulent, evenly cooked dishes with a professional touch. Navigate the INKBIRD Sous Vide cooker effortlessly with its user-friendly interface. Adjust settings, set timers, and monitor progress with intuitive controls. Save kitchen space with the compact design of this Immersion Circulator. Its portability allows you to bring gourmet cooking to any setting. Enjoy a quiet cooking environment with the efficient and low-noise operation of the INKBIRD Sous Vide cooker. Focus on savoring the aromas and flavors of your culinary creations. Explore a myriad of cooking possibilities, from tender steaks to delicate desserts. Elevate your home-cooked meals with the precision and finesse of Sous Vide cooking. The INKBIRD vacuum Sous Vide cooker is not just a kitchen appliance, it's a gateway to culinary excellence. With precise temperature control, a powerful heater, and the convenience of Wi-Fi connectivity, this immersion circulator empowers you to create extraordinary dishes with ease. Elevate your cooking experience and savor the taste of perfection with INKBIRD.